Hello, my name is Mark Lindsay and I'm a technical specialist with SMC Electric. This week we are focusing on VFDs and our topic is factory authorized drive startups. If you have PowerFlex 523s, 525s, 400s, or 753s and 755s through frame 7, you can have an SMC specialist come to your site and commission your drive for you. Why would you want to do this? For starters, you'll get an additional year warranty added to the existing factory warranty. Secondly, you can take comfort in knowing that the parameters are set correctly. This is a great benefit, especially when commissioning a new piece of equipment that you're not sure how to set up, or maybe you just don't have the time. So what can you expect? Well, once on site, the specialist will verify that the power wiring is correct and is within acceptable limits. We will also verify the I/O wiring and set the parameters accordingly. Once the drive is powered up and motor direction is verified, we will operate it through the entire speed range and make sure it is functioning properly. Upon completion of checkout, the drive settings will be uploaded and saved, and then you will receive a warranty document stating the dates of your warranty, usually within a week of completion. If you are interested in having an SMC specialist come to your site and performing a drive startup, contact your local branch and ask for a quote. Thank you for your time, and remember, at SMC, our knowledge is your power.